Hey, what's up? So if you're wondering what image generation tool is the one to use right now if you're trying to make AI video ads, I'm going to show you because I always investigate this every couple of months really to try and find out what one is at the top. And we've been using Flux Ultra for the last little while. It gives us HD images. They work very well when we're converting these images into avatar videos using our choice of avatar creator, which is HeyGen, and their HeyGen Avatar 4 creator. Lets you take a still image and convert it into a video. So today I just did a test with the same prompt, looking to try and create a person for an avatar video. And surprise, the winner is still what I thought it was. But let's show you what it looks like right here. Everyone very high tech with their editing today. So this is still Flux. You can tell from all these from a distance that this one is really the one that looks like a person, the one that was made with Flux, right? I used the exact same prompt for all four of these images. I just did them obviously with the different processors. So we got Nano Banana, which is Gemini. That's a newer one. Everybody's raving about this and saying that it's changing the world. But in my opinion, I'm sure it does something great, but this does not look real. Quinn Image was probably the next closest. However, I would say if you've used like ArcAds or Creatify, these are the close to real but not real images that we see. And then GPT-5 with DALL, same thing. I know there's a ton of these other ones you can use, but the results just aren't there yet, in my opinion. So we're going to stick with Flux, which is our choice. We continue to use Flux in our AI ad engine stack, which is creating an avatar in Flux. What you can also do with Flux, which is pretty cool, I'm going to show you in a video in just a sec, is you can actually take the same character or the same avatar and put her in a different scenario, which is cool. So maybe we want her in her car next to her in her living room. But for now, we're going to keep with Flux, use those as our images that we then create a voice for in 11 Labs, then we animate them in HeyGen, and that's how we're building AI at scale. But let me show you this quick little tip with Flux that I find pretty interesting that a lot of people aren't doing. So what we're here now, we're going to use Flux context. I've got the same person as a reference, but what I've done is written a separate prompt where it says, take the same woman from the reference image. Now she's in her car wearing a light black coat. She's sitting in the driver's seat. I'm going to process this down here. Boom. Now it takes a minute. Oh, I did it in 1:1. I meant to do it in 9:16, but you'll get the point here from it. It's going to take a minute probably to go. You can see here it's producing 6 seconds, 7 seconds, 8 seconds. We use a tool called getimage.ai, which kind of ties all these. Here we go. There she is. It's pretty darn good, right? Now it's her. So what we'll sometimes do with this is we'll create the same person in a couple different scenarios, use the same 11 Labs voice, but produce 2 or 3 different HeyGen videos, then tie them together, which makes it look more natural, right? So right now, the best the best image creation tool, generative image AI tool for us is still Flux, right? I know there's a ton out there and we could spend all our time trying to evaluate all these, but there's very marginal gains to be had once we find one that works pretty good. So if you want to know what tool we're using, like I said, it's getimage.ai is where we're at. If you want to learn how to make videos like this, then you're going to want to click the link underneath this video and grab my workshop I did a couple weeks ago. This covers how we build ads with AI tools, how we launch them on demand gen. And if you want an even more closer look at what we're doing, you're going to want to join our SKOOL group, the Ad Intelligence Collective, also a link in the description. Okay. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.